So this question is about abortion, and is abortion allowed before 40 days, and what are the conditions?
Abortion is not allowed before 40 days, before 30 days, before 10 days. Once I know there is pregnancy, I am not allowed to abortion, unless in one case, and that is that there is a harm on the mother. The harm on the mother if the baby is going to grow. It's not because we think it's going to be Down syndrome, it's going to be thick, he's going to be deformed or something like this. No. Because Allah created him. She can't have an abortion. But we say that terminating the baby in an early stage is much better than terminating in the later stage. So if you think that the mother is going to be affected by this baby, no, we'll save the mother and sacrifice the child, the baby. But we start to terminate the baby as the earliest stage, not to make him, older and older. So in all cases, ikhwani, this is something Allah created, whether it's a nafs or a ruh. Even before the ruh, this is nafs. This is like a tissue living. A living tissue, this is. Even in the first stages, when the sperm goes into the egg, this is tissue became. Something living tissue. Yes, it hasn't got the soul, but it's a living tissue. Now.